John. So, sino nga ba si Jeremy Bentang ulit? May you please read, Angelica?
Jeremy Bentham is one of the pioneer of the utilitarianism as a school of thought in the modern era. He famously held the human birth ruled by two sovereign masters, pleasure and pain. We seek pleasure and the abundance of pain will govern us in all we do and all we say, in all we think. Yet we also strongly inculcate the principle of utility as the standard of right action in part of government and individuals. Actions are approved when they are such as to promote happiness or pleasure, and disapproved of when they have a tendency to cause unhappiness or pain.
So, sabi ni Jeremy Bentham na if yung action natin is right, is nagkakaroon siya ng happiness sa isang tao. But if yung action naman natin is wrong, siyempre, kabaliktaran siya ng happiness. So, nagkakaroon siya ng pain. So, Bentham's philosophy is emphasizes that it is important to maximize the happiness and minimize the suffering of one individual. So, an act, therefore, is right if either it brings about more pleasure than pain or prevents pain, and an act is wrong if it brings more pain than pleasure or prevents pleasure from occurring. But what separates utilitarianism from egoism, as already mentioned above, is the fact that the former looks into collective benefit, which act will produce the most pleasure or comfort for the greater number. So, utilitarian and egoism consider as one of the consequences of the actions that we do. So, utilitarianism is ito yung pag nagtitake tayo ng action na right yung nangyayari is dun na nagkakaroon ng happiness or pleasure. Well, if nagtake naman tayo ng action natin na parang mali, is dun na papasok si suffering, which is siya yung nag-aano ng pain. While egoism naman is, I think you already guys familiar with egoism because natakal na din siya ni Jessa, yung last reporter natin last week. So, egoism is, ito yung pagkakaroon mo ng selfishness. Yung sarili mo lang yung iniisip mo, nagkakaroon ka ng self-interest, then hindi mo iniisip yung mga yung ikabubuti ng iba. Parang iniisip mo lang kung ano yung makakabuti para sa'yo. So, John Stuart Mill. May you please use Yvonne?
John Stuart Mill, Bentham's grandson, proposed a major formulation of the utilitarianism position by arguing that utility should be defined in terms of happiness rather than pleasure. He believed that the quality of happiness outweighs its quantity. To him, there is hierarchy of pleasures and happiness, such as that the intellectual pleasure is higher than sensual ones. His version was later on called eudaimonistic utilitarianism, and that of Bentham as the hedonistic utilitarianism. While pleasure is primarily bodily and sensual in character, happiness goes beyond mere bodily frenzies and comprises even in the mind and spirit. Moreover, happiness can actually include both pleasure and pain. A birthing mother, although undergoing intense pain, happiness, as it is broader, deeper, and more comprehensive in nature, seem to be of longer duration than that of pleasure. But
than a pleasure. So, dito sa slide na to is nagkakasama yung pleasure and pain. So, mauuna muna yung pain. So, syempre, you need to take a risk para makamit mo yung happiness. So, dito sa binasa ni Ibon is, a mother birthing, although undergoing intense pain during labor, will find overwhelming happiness at the sight of her newborn child. So, kahit na yung unang-una, dahil nga nahihirapan siya sa panganganak, nakakaramdam siya ng pain, parang unti-unting nawawala yun nung lumabas na yung bata at nakita niya na doon na umaano yung pain, ay yung happiness, nawawala na yung pain at napapalitan na siya ng happiness. So, may you please read Jessica Limos.
The great which accept the greatest happiness principles as the foundation of morals, hold that action are right in proportion as they intend to promote happiness, strong in the intent to reverse of pain. The standard is not the agents of own greatest happiness, but the greatest amount of happiness together. The test of morality is not the greatest happiness of the agent himself. Utilitarianism does not dream of defining morality to be self-interest of the agent. The greatest happiness principle is the greatest happiness of mankind in all sentient creatures.
So, dito naman sa last slide is, yung actions is right nga, so nagkakos nga siya ng happiness. While the other one is pain, so nagkakaroon siya ng suffering. Then dito, so yung moral action dito sa last part is yung hindi yung own greatest happiness mo, yung parang iisipin mo dito. Parang iisipin mo dito is yung happiness dun sa mas nakararaming tao. Just like for example, if, di ba, nakulong kayo dun sa may biglang lindol. Then dun sa lindol na yun, kahit marami kayong survival, then kailangan nyo ng makakain. Then ikaw na may makakain ka, syempre, bibigyan mo sila kasi hindi mo lang iniisip na ikaw lang yung pwedeng kumain. Bibigyan mo din sila para lahat kayo masaya. Kasi ikaw nga lang na may pagkain, alam nga na hindi mo na sila bibigyan. So, dapat marunong kang mag-share kung ano yung meron ka. So, dito, mas iniisip niya yung mga nakararami kesa doon sa sarili niya lang. That's all. Thank you.